Cool. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to restart the fire in the container, and we're going to set off the 8-1 manually from the control panel without the alarms, etc, etc. It's just a manual release. Unlike before, the 8-1 is right up this very end of the container, so it's not at the back or in the middle. So it should deploy and get on the back of the container, put the fire out when he pushes the button. Haven't tested the button theory because we haven't done it this way yet, so we'll soon find out whether it works this way.
Should be fine.
It'll be fine. Won't be fine. It'll be fine.
Off to go.
Nice, it's your